Have you ever wondered what a giant set workout is? If you're looking to do giant sets, this is a circuit type of exercise where you are combining 3 or more movements all in the same body part. So the reason you would do a giant set is because it's going to build strength and it's going to burn out that individual muscle. I wouldn't do these all the time, but occasionally I like to put together a giant set of exercises. So let me take you through my giant set real quick. For this case, I'm going to do just a set of glutes. So I'd pick 3 movements for this one, and I'm going to start with my lunges. So you go through, and you can do these weighted or unweighted, whatever you'd like. But the point is, I'm going to do this movement as soon as I finish the assigned reps of the first movement. I'm going to go to the second one. I'm going to grab my weight and go for hip thrusts with my shoulders on the bench. So still utilizing lower body, especially glutes. I'm going to go all the way through with the hip thrusts. And then as soon as I finish those, I'm going to hop up, and I like my froggy glute lifts. So I'm going to get straight to those guys, then up and push. Okay, once you have finished all 3 exercises, or more if you choose, then you get to briefly rest. And that is how you do a giant set when you're working out.